Hi, I'm Zack from Kid2Kid Tutorials, and right now we're going to be practicing fractions. Our first problem is to combine these two fractions into one single fraction. So, in order to do that, you need to make the denominators the same by multiplying this side by s and this side by r. So, s times r, and whatever you do to the denominator, you have to do to the numerator. So s times r and 3 times r. And now you need to multiply this by s. So s times r, s times 2. So now we'll simplify this. So 2s over rs plus 3r over rs. So now we have the same denominators. Now we can combine them. So that's 2s plus 3r over rs, and this is our answer. Our second problem is to write 5y over 6x squared minus 4 over 3xy as a single fraction. So again, we have to make the denominators the same. So the easiest way to do this is to multiply this side by y and this side by 2x to get 6x squared y. So multiplying y to this side gives 5y squared over 6x squared y minus 8x, 4 times 2x is 8x, over 6, 2 times 3 is 6, x squared, x times x is x squared, y. So now the denominators are the same. Now we can multiply, and now we can subtract. So that is 5y squared minus 8x divided by 6x squared y. And this is our answer. Our final problem is 2a to the third divided by a to the third b plus 3b divided by a minus 1 minus 3b minus 3 divided by 6ab minus 6a. So first thing we want to do is factor the fractions out, like this one. A to the third cancel out. And you can't do anything with this fraction, so you just leave it. And this fraction, you can simplify it to 3 times b minus 1 over 6a times b minus 1. So you can cancel out the b minus 1s, and you're left with 3 over 6a. And you can cross this out with 1 and 2. And that is 1 over 2a. So 2 over b plus 3b over a minus 1 over 2a is what we have. So what we want to do is find the common denominator. And how we do that is take 2a times b times a minus 1. So we want the denominators to be 2ab times a minus 1. So to make 2b have the denominator of that, we multiply the denominator and the numerator by 2a times a minus 1 to get the denominator of 2ab times a minus 1 plus 3b over a minus 1 times 2ab divided by 2ab to get 2ab times a minus 1 for the denominator minus 1 over 2a times b times a minus 1 over b times a minus 1. And as you simplify that out, you get 4a squared minus 4a plus 6ab squared minus ab plus b divided by 2a squared b minus 2ab. So your final answer is 4a squared minus 4a plus 6ab squared minus ab plus b divided by 2ab times a minus 1. The reason why we factored this out from this is because we usually leave the denominator in factored forms. This is because whether we are adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing fractions, it is almost always more convenient to have the denominators of the fractions in factored form. This makes it easier to see when we can cancel factors and products and make building common denominators easier for sums or differences involving the fractions. So we want to simplify this out to cross stuff off on the top and the bottom. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like our videos, please subscribe.